Afternoon everyone. The video which we are going to shoot today is about the promotion of national building and national integration. Every person living in a community has a major role to play in nation building and can contribute in making the country a better place. National integration is the bond and togetherness between people regardless of their caste, creed, religion or gender. It is the feeling of oneness, brotherhood and social unity under communities and society in a country. So, the importance of national integration can be analyzed from the fact that the nation which remains integrated will always progress on the track of development, prosperity and social harmony. It also promotes loyalty for the nation. A teacher has the capability to mold the tender minds of his students in any direction. With this in mind, I took upon myself to make my students understand what it means to be a true Indian. For promotion of nation building and national integration, I always advised my students and guided them to be the part of it. Regarding this, I would like to mention a few points. Point number 1 is regarding clean and green India. In our school, we promote cleanliness and for that we do Shramdan on many occasions like Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Republic Day and so on and so forth. I always teach my students to respect the nature and follow the principles of sustainable development. I have conducted and participated in plantation drive on the occasion of World Environment Day and Van Mahotsav. I always make sure the students should not litter and respect their surroundings. These events bring all Indians together, which set an example of nation building and national integration. Second point in this regard is awareness in the society. I have conducted rallies on burning topics of social awareness like education for all. Every time I try to educate the students about different social evils like domestic violence, female infanticide, child marriage, etc. Group discussions are organized in the class about them and how one can make one impact to eradicate them. This helps a lot in bringing the people together to fight such evils. This is one of the best examples of national integration. Third point in this regard which I would like to mention here is unity in diversity. National integration helps to unite the minorities as well as gives them the freedom to live their lives in their own way without any interference. Tolerating and respecting every religion and community is the key motto of our school as well as the classes I teach. Being a housemaster and class teacher, I always made sure that no student should feel as an outcast because of his religion, caste, community, race and so on and so forth. We give special liberty and holidays to students so that they can celebrate their festivals and customs accordingly. Interactions between different students are promoted so that they learn more about each other. Next point in this regard which I would like to mention about is following the law and elimination of injustice. We make sure that students should know about their basic rights and duties as the citizen of our country. By doing so, I try to promote a sense of nationalism in them. I always make sure that they respect our national flag, national anthem and national monuments which bring our country together. During educational tours, whenever we visit some historic monuments, I try to make the students learn about the hardships our ancestors faced to make our country free. I firmly advise my students to stand against any injustice they ever come across in their lives. And the next point regarding which I would like to talk here is positive attitude. I always teach my students to be positive in each and every situation so that they can face any situation in their lives. The students will strive for positive changes in the community which will further help in national integration. This aspect is very crucial as until and unless the students come out from narrow-mindedness, our country can never be integrated. So, to conclude, I can say, as a teacher and as an NO NCCJD Sainik School Rewa, I have always tried to promote national building and national integration through various activities, conducting rallies, lectures, and so forth. Thank you very much.